small veenplas or peat pond in early spring. Many of these peat ponds came into existence after the peat bogs in these locations got their peat dredged out. What remains are the small strips of land called hectares, where the dredged peat was laid to dry. Over time, wind and water will erode the banks of these hectares. A loud machine breaks the peace on the pond. It is a barge, here to restore these banks. After wooden poles are driven into the banks, bundles of willow branches are placed between the poles and the eroded banks. Then, to fill in the bank, mud from the pond is dredged up and deposited on top of the bundles of branches. In some places, only a wall of branches is placed to protect the fledgling reed field behind it from the waves. Over time, these reed fields themselves will become land in a process called verlanding. Most other strips of land need their entire banks repaired. When the machine is done, it cleans itself and it will leave this pond. And the plas will once again belong to the cormorants, grebes and geese. On the flooded meadow nearby, the disappearance of the machine gives the newly arrived flock of godwits some much needed rest after their exhausting trek back from Africa.